Suppose you are working in MS Word और you need to do some calculation. आपको कुछ calculation की काम आ गई या दरकार पड़ गई. Then in this case generally we are taking the help of the external sources और कुछ external program की हम help लेते हैं. But do you know it is possible in MS Word to do the calculations. जितने तरह के भी calculation है, all the things you can do in MS Word itself. Okay, we are going to try the same thing today. Okay, let us start. To do any kind of calculation in MS Word, we need two keys. One is the Control F9 and second one is F9. Control F9 यूज़ करके हम वैल्यू पुट कर सकते हैं और F9 यूज़ करके उसका रिजल्ट हम लोग देख सकते हैं. Okay, let us try. I have given Control F9. This kind of the bracket will appear. Now we'll have to enter the numbers. Just like I have written equal to 100 plus 200. Now just to press the F9, result 300 will appear. In this way, we can do rest of the calculation also, subtraction, multiplication, all these things. Just now I am going to subtract some number, 200 minus 30 I have written. Then press Control F9. Now result will appear. That is 170. Let us try one multiplication also. Give the Control F9. Now I have written equal to 200 into 10. Press F9 to see the result. That is a 2000. We will try one division also. Equal to 500 divided by 50. Now press F9 to see the result. We can also calculate more than two numbers also. दो से ज़्यादा नंबर को भी आप कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं. Let us try one more example. Equal to 100 plus 200 plus 300 minus 150. Then I press F9. In this way, Control F9 देके you can enter the value, and by pressing F9 you can see the result. I think you understood. Okay, thank you for being with us. Thank you.